Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a website with Wix using an easy method. First, you will select a template that best suits your vision. Wix offers hundreds of professionally designed templates across various categories. Next, you will customize your chosen template by adding your unique content, such as text, images, and videos. The intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes arranging elements on your pages incredibly simple and fun, giving you full creative control over your site's appearance. Now, let's dive deeper into personalizing your Wix site. You can easily upload your own media, such as high-resolution photos and engaging videos, to make your website truly yours. Experiment with different color palettes, font styles, and background designs to perfectly match your brand or personal aesthetic. Remember to add crucial pages like an About Us section, a contact page, and perhaps a gallery to ensure your visitors have all the information they need. To make your website even more powerful, explore the Wix app market. It offers hundreds of apps that can add incredible functionality, from an online store to a booking system or a professional blog, all with just a few clicks. It's also vital to optimize your site for mobile devices. Wix automatically creates a mobile-friendly version, but you can fine-tune it to ensure a seamless and engaging experience for all your visitors, no matter how they access your site. Finally, it's time to publish your amazing website. First, consider connecting a custom domain name, which gives your site a professional and memorable identity. Before going live, take a moment to thoroughly review every page, ensuring all content is accurate and links are working correctly. Once you are completely satisfied, simply click the Publish button. Your new website will then be live and ready to share with the world, reaching a global audience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.